Hey, to turn on or off the nightlight on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the start, then go to the settings. Now on the left side, you will have to go for the system and select display. From here, you can find the nightlight. When you click on the switcher, you are going to turn it on. And when you click on this arrow, you can customize. So we can set the strength level by moving this slider to the left or to the right side. And also you can set the schedule nightlight. So from here, you can set the default one from the sunset to sunrise, or you can also set manually hours, just right here. And also we can find quick access to this panel by clicking just right here on this right bottom corner on the taskbar. And here we can find shortcut into the nightlight. When you click on this icon, you can actually remove or add other shortcuts. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.